I'm in Sideman by the river. It's also really beautiful here, and there's a volcano that you can see called Mount Agung. But what I've chosen to do today is I'm going to make a silver ring. Okay, so everything you see here is all silver, 100% pure silver and 5% red copper. Down here there's like these manta rays. There's they're like ball things. And then there's these jewels again, they're very pretty. And there's a dolphin over there. There's like a circle there, there's a swirl over there. It's so pretty. We just picked out a couple of rings and I'm going to show you the rings. So we just chose the rings, so then you have to weigh it.
So I explain you about the material. Yes, this is for the pure silver that come from Borneo, the silver. So we mix with the red copper, 5% red copper and 100% pure silver. This one we weigh 25 grams. And also 1 gram red copper. The purpose to put the red copper, that is to make more stronger and straight. So easy to make the design when we put a red copper. So this one 25 gram, but the ring is around 7 gram for one ring. And here we weigh 25 gram because for make from the 0 till the 100% to make the processing must be the material is more heavier. So the processing, the duration will be around 1 hour or less than 1 hour. So depends your work also. Yeah.
Okay.
Ready? Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Yep.
Ready? What's your name?
Jasmine.
Jasmine, and you?
Becky.
Becky?
Michael.
Michael, ya. Nice to meet
And your
you.
siapa nama?
Nama saya Devi.
Devi.
Ya,
Devi. Okay.
senang bertemu ya.
I think Popo's a Pomeranian.
On the like manual work, yeah. With your petrol. You stand up, yeah. You doing like this, yeah. Stand up, no problem. Shang, yeah. Yeah. Like this. Yeah, yeah, okay. Yeah.
Ah!
No problem. Dang, 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 dang.
Wait,
Yeah.
I'm heating up the silver.
600 degrees, no hot.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm jumping up and down on a bellow to heat up the silver.
Stop. Yeah. Okay, good. Okay. So far. Yeah. Okay, come here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Making a soup. First you do me chicken soup. later. So what are you doing?
I'm cooling off the silver.
Yeah.
This the
I've
together,
got
the warm material
like
together,
a
yeah?
piece
Yeah.
of silver.
Then you helping.
I'm
then
holding
you
a piece of silver.
doing like this, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so you're smashing the silver to make it solid inside.
So that, yeah.
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 Okay.
Yeah. From here, yeah.
Okay, so I'm smashing the silver to make it solid inside. Oh wait, it's stuck. Make it solid inside. A few seconds ago, these were just like little balls. Then we heated them up, then it was a liquid. Then we put them in like this mold. Then it solidified. Then we picked it up, put it in water so it wouldn't be hot anymore. And now we're making sure the inside has solidified by smashing it.
Yeah. Yeah, slowly. Strong. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
I'm trying to flatten out the silver and it's quite hard.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Imagine what making gold is like. Or diamond. Oh my.
Yeah.
I need help.
Yeah. Little bit. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Difficult or not?
It is. We just got the silver and we just started and we cut it in, we got it split in half. One for me, one for my dad. I'm doing my one now. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Mommy, I need your help.
Yeah.
Okay, so first what we did was we got these little balls and silver balls and we weighed them with the red copper. Then we melted them and then we poured it into a mold and then let it cool off in water. Then we smashed it with a hammer so it could solidify. Then we put it in one of those grinders. Stop. Yeah. Then we heated it up again. Then put it back in, and then we put it in the water. Sorry, not heat it up. You heat it up again. Did the grinder, and then after now we heated it up again, which is what we're doing now. And then now we're cooling it off. So from that tiny bit of silver, now it's a quite. You can't even tell that this was a ball now. This used to be a bunch of little balls, but now it's no longer a bunch of little balls. He's sanding it. Oh no, he's getting it ready to go through here. You pull it.
Pull lagi.
Yeah.
Ya.
You pull this through to like make it soft.
Ya. 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 Ya.
Oh my. Oh my. Ah.
Itu good. Ini. Ya.
Oh, it's stuck.
Pull. Ya. Ya. Ya.
Okay, here we go. You're making it like softer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're making it softer.
Finish ya. Come here.
Look at it, Mama.
Stop. Here.
I think we're measuring my ring size. This would be my dad's probably. And I reckon that, where is, I think this, no. It's getting, maybe this one would be my mum's. Yeah, it would. This would be my mum's. And this would be my dad's. I reckon my one would maybe be this one. I think this one, I reckon. The size 13. Yeah, I think I'm a size 13. But the thing is, I don't want to wear it, get a growth spurt, and then have it be stuck on me. So maybe I should get size 14 or 15.
Kira-kira ya. Pelan-pelan tek. Terima kasih. Thank you.
I reckon my size would be 15 or 14.
Aku harus
15, 14 or
konsentrasi nih
13.
hari
What
ini.
are you doing?
I'm making the grooves.
For whose? Oh, for Daddy's? Can I try?
Bagus?
Iya, bagus. Ya.
Oh, we're putting the pattern on the one for my dad.
Okay, how's it?
Okay. So we're just like getting the shape of the ring, of my ring. This is my dad's ring so far.
Doesn't look much like a ring yet.
I agree. But now they did the silver little balls, so it just smells like regular metal. Here's a fact. Every time you smell something, particles going up into your nose, so that's how you can smell them. So every time you smell something, it gets a little bit lighter each time. So these are the rings I chose to make and my dad chose to make. So this is the one my dad chose to make. And this is the one I chose to make. But right now my dad's ring looks like this. And my one looks like that.
Ya.
Yeah.
You're doing like this ya.
Yeah, okay. Like this.
Ya.
So right now we're sanding the ring. Over there my dad's ring is being heated.
Baik, ini.
I think I accidentally sanded a bit of the wrong part.
Oke, ya. Good. Ya.
So we can make it look shiny like this. Mother, this is spinning fast. Okay, this is spinning really fast. polishing it, but when I looked at the original ring, they probably polished it too. But so it's gonna get super dirty.
Just like this thing.
Yeah. This is hot. I burnt myself. Okay, so I burnt myself touching this because it's so hot because it goes so fast. Yeah, now I think we're polishing it again to make it even shinier. Right.
Yeah, yeah. Size-nya we know, so this is size.
Once again, this is made of 100% pure silver and 5% red copper. So now I sort of consider myself a jewellery maker because I made this.
This one's yours.
This one's mine. They almost look the same, except this one is more tarnished and this one has more of like an open gap here. Mine doesn't really. Also, mine's a bit smaller.
Yeah.